How do you break an addiction? It's actually exactly the same way you create a habit. It starts with the moment you stop procrastinating. Today, I'm going to teach you a self-hypnosis exercise that you can use to break bad habits and create new ones. Personally, I learned these principles from Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, and visualization, and this technique has made me stop smoking. Let me explain this to you in a different context. I remember when the movie Frozen was on TV during Christmas, and I went to watch it with my nieces and nephews. Before I knew it, 2 days later, I was singing the song, "Let it go, let it go." This is the power of hypnosis. The moment I watched the movie, I was hypnotized by the movie, and that catchy song was implemented in my brain. Fortunately, we also have the power to program our brains ourselves or to create habits that we like with the use of hypnosis. The method that helps you with this and that I learned is called the SWOOSH method. Let me explain it. Close your eyes. Visualize a square in which you envision your bad habits or the thing that you want to change in your life. For myself, this was the moment I lit up a cigarette and started smoking. In this square, make sure you visualize a small box at the bottom right. In this square, you visualize your new and improved habit that is going to replace the old habit. For me, this was my body that I could get if I went to the gym 3 to 4 times a week and eat healthy. Now you are done, here comes a trick. You are supposed to swap the small and large squares and say the word swoosh while doing this. The sounds of the word swoosh have a huge effect on your brain. After you use the word swoosh, you basically make sure that your more healthy and new habit is running in the big square, and in the small square in the corner, you picture your bad and old habit. You actually swap the squares. Try to let the small square vanish and only picture your new and more healthy habit. Now that you have the big and healthy picture in front of you, open your eyes again. Repeat this exercise at least 5 times in a row.